In this video, we are going to explore the journey of navigating the path to U.S. citizenship through marriage. This can be a complex and daunting process, but we aim to break it down into digestible pieces to help you understand the potential challenges and strategies involved. We'll cover everything from initial visa status to the final steps towards obtaining citizenship, along with addressing common challenges and seeking legal expertise. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as legal advice. It's critical to consult with an immigration attorney for personalized guidance specific to your situation. In this video, we'll go through the process of understanding the steps toward U.S. citizenship through marriage, address potential challenges, explore alternative scenarios, stress the importance of seeking legal expertise, and finish with a crucial disclaimer. This section will guide you through the steps involved in obtaining U.S. citizenship through marriage. We have a diagram to illustrate the sequence of these steps, starting from initial visa status and leading up to gaining citizenship. Each phase requires attention to detail and adherence to legal protocols. We'll start by discussing the importance of the initial visa status. The manner in which the immigrant spouse enters the United States can greatly determine the path to citizenship. Entering legally with a visa is vital for a smoother process, while entering illegally can complicate the journey. Once married, the U.S. citizen spouse needs to file a petition, known as Form I-130, for their immigrant spouse to become a lawful permanent resident. This is an integral step that sets the stage for an eventual adjustment of status. The green card application process follows the marriage petition. If the immigrant entered legally, they can apply for an adjustment of status using Form I-485. This stage demands thorough documentation, background checks, and possibly an interview. For those who didn't enter legally, obtaining waivers to address any violations may be necessary. Once the immigrant spouse receives their green card, they are required to remain a permanent resident for typically 3 years. During this time, they must meet conditions like maintaining a continuous residency, a clean criminal record, proficiency in English, and passing a civics test before applying for citizenship. It's quiz time! What form does the U.S. citizen spouse need to file to commence the immigration process for their immigrant spouse? Your options are Form I-131, Form I-130, Form I-485, and Form N-400. You may pause the video now to think about it, and we'll discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The answer to our quiz question is Form I-130. This form, known as the Petition for Alien Relative, is crucial for starting the immigration process for the immigrant spouse to become a lawful permanent resident. This section focuses on the potential challenges in the citizenship journey, such as deportation and complications from returning to the home country. Understanding how they can impact the process is important for anyone considering this path. Deportation is a serious threat that must be addressed immediately with legal counsel. Having an experienced lawyer is crucial, as they can provide defense and explore possible avenues for relief. Returning to the home country during immigration processes can trigger serious consequences, including potential bans on re-entry. It is strongly discouraged during the green card process unless absolutely necessary, and always advised to consult an attorney before making such a decision. If the immigrant spouse's initial entry was illegal, the journey to citizenship becomes more complex. Waivers are often needed to address inadmissibility, and having legal counsel is critical to decide the best course of action. Furthermore, any thoughts of relocating should be carefully considered due to the potential immigration consequences involved. Seeking legal expertise is critical throughout the citizenship journey. Immigration law is highly complex and specific to each case, making professional legal advice invaluable for ensuring compliance, guidance, and representation. To wrap things up, let's review the key takeaways. Understanding the process thoroughly is fundamental. Addressing challenges proactively can help. Considering all scenarios and alternatives enhances decision-making. And engaging with legal expertise is critical for navigating this journey successfully. Now it's time for an important disclaimer. The content provided in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as legal advice. Due to the intricacies and individuality of immigration cases, it's essential to consult with a qualified immigration attorney for personalized legal guidance. Thank you all for sticking with us throughout this video. We hope you found it insightful and informative. Please like, share with anyone who might benefit, and subscribe for more content. We also love hearing your thoughts. Feel free to drop a comment below.